Hey guys, what is up? As you can see, we've got a little bit of a situation going on. Excuse you. As you can see, we've got a little bit of a situation going on with the bumminess and like the wild hair. But it's okay because it's finals week. Get off my tripod. Like I'm trying to say, it's finals week. I'm stressed. I guarantee you guys are stressed. So why not make some stress relief slime, right? So without further ado, before the dogs knock the tripod over, let's get into it. Okay, so starting out, you need 2 bottles of washable school glue, some saline solution. I'm just using the contact solution I already have. You can get this at Walgreens, Walmart, Kroger, CVS, anywhere really. You need some baking soda, food gel, food coloring, sprinkles, glitter, all of that is optional. A bowl to mix your stuff in, and an airtight container to put it in when you're finished. All right, to begin, you're gonna take your bottles of school glue and just empty them into your mixing bowl. Next, if you are doing the color option, you take your food coloring and just add a generous amount in there. I ended up using blue just because it's real soothing, and I think blue is actually a stress relieving color. Like, think of like water, waves, waterfalls. Yeah. Then I'm going to add a whole bunch of glitter because you can never have too much. So I'm going to use all 4 colors that came in a pack and just throw them all in there. Taking the spoon I'm going to be mixing the mixture with, I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of my saline solution. When you start mixing, you will see that there is like a thickness, but it's also mostly watery. So this is where the baking soda comes in. I'm sure you could find recipes online for certain amounts to add, but I kind of just eyed it when it came to the baking soda. I ended up pouring in a little bit, mixing it, and then in a minute you'll see me add some more because I didn't like how sticky it was. Then I'm gonna take it out and knead it with my hand. And that's it. That's all it took. We have our stress relief slime. You can add little beads, you can add more glitter, customize it however you want, pop it and play with it while you're taking tests or studying or just chilling. So you guys see how quick and easy that was. Now I have something to do while I go finish this test, of course, back to reality. But I hope that this helps somebody out. It's actually real fun. I can't stop doing it. But let me sign off. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys don't already, hit that sub button. I have a giveaway at 100 subscribers. We're so close, like 30 more people, and then I'm giving someone a gift card. So go hit the sub button. I've got more videos coming for you guys if YouTube quits playing with me and my uploads, but I am not giving up. I will get them to y'all. Hit me up on Snapchat, Twitter, Instagram with any requests, anything you want to see me do, just hit me up. All of that is linked below in the description. Thank you guys. Bye.